Okay.
We're gonna go outside with barefooted and no shirt. We're gonna roll around in the snow.
Okay. Maybe not roll around. Just go run out and come back.
Okay.
You guys, hurry up, weaklings. Belle? Aw. Come on, you nerd. How was it?
Oh, it's cold. Oh, my feet.
What are you guys doing on the counters? Get off.
I don't feel like walking.
Let me see.
It's cold. Ah!
Weakling. I can't believe you just did that.
Ah! We should go on the snow this time.
Cannon! Oh, you guys.